think that I could show you that what we had were one. Don't you know I loved you like a dream? Keeps on rambling, but then this ties us back together in the air. In your eyes, I can see the ring. Mali. Hype ko natin. Kay Den Bautista, ano po? Allow fans post highlights. Pwede na. Ba't na ganun? Ako. Alam mo to eh. Overview. Oh, it's minutes pa lang. Oh. Ano? Ay, gagi. Pindot ko. Share. Okay. So... Hi po kay Razel. Yeah, ano po. Shoutout po kay Razel. Thank you for joining. At saka ka Smiley Girl. Sorry. Ayan po. Thank you for join for my live for this TikTok. Award sila dyan. Pagka ganyan. Isang palakpak dyan sa mga nag-join. Oh, nawala. Si KD, thank you for joining, KD. Cheer natin yan si KD. Tuloy mo naman. Walang masama sa ginagawa mo. Gusto mo kiss pa kita. Mahal ko yung mga nag-join dyan. Mahal ko yan. Kasi maganda yung sunod. Trans baby? Oh my god. You here, huh? Thank you for joining, Trans baby. Ganahin ng mata, kung may nakikita po kayo, ikalat nyo na. Ito na po talaga ako magsalita. Kay Ate Mars. Ate Mars. Good evening, Ate Mars. Anong balita, Ate Mars? Annalisa May Torio. Congrats po. Thank you for joining. Ay, wow, nag-shed siya. Okay. Ay, nilike nila yung video. Grabe. Lucifer. Lucifer. Thank you for joining. Ay po kay Kuya Orlando Giler. Thank you for joining, Kuya Orlando. Thank you for follow and share. Malapit na ang oras bago po natin ito. Tsaka always single. Wow, always single. Sana all always single. Thank you for joining. Leah Maylin Viho, Market 29. Oh my god. Better Cup, thank you for joining. Better Cup. It's a better talaga. Syra May, thank you for joining. Ruby, thank you for joining. Oh my god. Parang hindi na siya kasing size ng ilong ko kahapon. Parang iba na yung size ng ilong ko. It's Milin. Oh, it's Milin. Thank you for joining. Wow, ganda ng bulaklak niya, boy. Bagay sa kanya yung bulaklak niya na yan. You're so pretty. It's Milin, ha? Sa mga gusto pong mag-TikTok live, tingin-tingin nyo na yung mag-scroll nyo kasi wala kayong mapapala sa kaka-scroll nyo. So, manonood lang kayo ng TikTok, mag-live na lang din kayo para marami kayong makilala. I'm sure hindi kayo mauubusan ng kakilala sa TikTok. Cheer up pa namin kayo. Also long spotlight music, you know. Ano music na maganda. Click mo yan, boy. Click mo, boy. Aray ko, sakit yung tagnirin mo. Spotlight. Spotlight. Hello everyone! Every hour new music creators from the Philippines. Hello po sa lahat po ng creators sa buong Pilipinas. We discover more quality content and only here on the TikTok Live in the Philippines. Monday and Wednesday and Friday, Saturday.